One more thing. I just noticed this. This is a little addendum to the video. I just noticed this. I only had to take off one of the props to get it back in my case. So, you know, it'll still work. It'll still go in the case. All you got to do is remove one prop. Okay, so there you go. I'm just going to leave them on now that I can get it back in the case just by taking one of the props off, because this one won't go on here once I hang outside the case. You know, and I don't want that, so because it could get bent or damaged in traveling around and stuff. So yeah, I'm just going to leave them on now because I want to go do a flight with it. So, and we'll test that out. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. All right, everybody, today we're going to be taking a look at the Master Airscrew Stealth low noise quick release props for the DJI Spark. And I am sporting the red ones today, and here they are in the hat, but we're going to first take up the Spark in the stock form and get the reading off the stock props. Now when you just want to do some little thing like when you're out here in front of you, you don't need to turn the app on. All you need to do is power on the quadcopter, turn on the transmitter, and you'll wait for that green light to go before you want to arm the motors. '86, '87, '85. '87, '86. Okay. Okay, so it fell over. Who cares? Okay. Now, I am going to do a flight with these, so it's not, I'm just doing this part just to check the noise. Now, to me, by my ear, they sound the same. I can't really tell any difference just from standing here. But, yeah, this is 82, 83, 83, 85. So the noise seems to be pretty similar. I mean, a couple of decibels. 80, that one was down on 80. 82, 85. So that's about the same. I don't know how much. Let's fire up the app real quick. You can just do this on the fly. It says 22% battery. Low battery warning. Yeah, I hear ya. I'm just looking to see if I'm getting that error. Let me put it in sport mode real quick. I'm going to try to make that error come up. See, it's flashing the red lights. Cancel the return to home. Okay, yeah, forget that. Let's just really heat these motors up. Okay, it's giving me all these crappy ass warnings. I got 13% battery. Don't worry about it. Okay, so I rocketed it around here. Strained these motors a little bit. Okay, so it's gonna land. Okay, so boy, I heated those motors up. Sure did. Yeah, I mean, they're not scalding or anything like that, but I warmed them up pretty good, and there was no errors on there, so that's what I was looking for. I was looking for those low errors because on these on this set of props, they didn't give you the little card in there that told you, you know, that you had to change the gain or any of that stuff. So, yeah, they performed really good, man. So they're fine. A little bit, a couple of decibels less noise. Like I said, by my ear, I couldn't see any difference. But I'm going to take a longer flight with this. This was just a little quickie to check the noise out and all that stuff. So. And to see if they would get that motor error on there, that overload error, which it didn't. You know, it would have come up with what I was going real hard back and forth and up and down like that real fast in the sport mode. It would have, if it was going to overload the motors, it would have came up. So that didn't happen. So I was glad to hear that. All right, guys, I will talk to you later. Bye.